Hey creator, I'm Rob and welcome back to vidIQ. In this video, I want to introduce you to our browser extension tools, how they can help you research YouTube and start making tactical decisions that will help grow your channel. Let's jump in, shall we? So to start seeing all of these features on YouTube, you'll need to download the vidIQ Chrome extension. And for the best experience, you want to authenticate your channel. We're trusted by millions of creators every single day, so there's nothing to worry about there. All right, let's jump to the homepage and start with something super simple, which is adding subscriber counts to videos. This will tell you whether or not the channel is going viral with a mega hit, or it's a type of views you'd expect from a channel of that size. But we can also drill into the details of a video itself here by looking at views per hour. This is literally how many views the video is getting right now, regardless of when it was published. And we also have the outlier score here. This is telling us that the video is performing 21 times better than average for that channel, which is a good indicator of a good video if you're doing research on that particular topic. Now, this is where things get quite exciting, because if you mouse down to these details next to views per hour and the outlier score, you'll see a remix button. This remix button does exactly what it says. It takes the title of the current video and remixes it into something that would fit your niche. So in this example, we are a weight loss channel and we've added all of our details here. And so when we click the remix button, what it will do is take the title of what's it really like to be a crafting creator and turn it into something that's relevant to a weight loss journey. Next to each of these titles, you'll see a optimization score as to how good that title might be for the average YouTube video. And if you're not happy with any of these titles, you can simply refresh and generate a brand new batch of titles. And on the preferences section here, you can determine exactly what type of channel niche you are. So that's what happens when you move a cursor over a video title, but you can do even more when you move your cursor over a thumbnail. On the right hand side, you'll see this vidIQ button. The first option simply allows you to download a full-size image of a thumbnail for future research. Next up is the remix thumbnail feature, a little more involved than remixing titles because you can actually prompt an image into existence and include your own assets such as your face. And the next option allows you to add this thumbnail to a collection of thumbnails that you might be gathering when you're doing research on a certain topic or niche, and you can manage that collection from this setting as well. What I want to show you is my absolute favorite vidIQ tool, which is the channel stats bar. We can basically call this your YouTube Studio Analytics without having to go to the YouTube Studio. Right now, it's showing me views over the last 48 hours on the channel, total subscribers and views over the last 60 minutes. But if I mouse over it, it will show me a ton of information about my channel. And I can look at anything from pretty much any timeline, including lifetime figures. Look how fast that loaded up. If I go to my favorites, I can remove these statistics that I currently have and then add brand new ones, again, whichever I want, and they'll be added permanently to the top of the YouTube page. It is highly customizable. You can add pretty much any major metric from the YouTube Studio. It includes all of the individual data points. And as I said earlier, this permanently sits at the top of any YouTube page. So if I go to my channel page, all the statistics are still there. It'd be the same on a watch page or on a search page. Next to the channel stats is a menu button here where you can explore loads of our vidIQ tools in detail, but far more excitingly is the trophy icon. This will show you your latest achievements. Here we have an achievement of the most views ever on the channel, creates a nice little certificate, and if I wanted to, I could click for a much larger image version of this and share it on social media. And that was just the YouTube homepage. The download link is on screen now, as well as in the video description. And if you want to see everything our browser tools have to offer you on watch pages, channel pages, search pages, and the YouTube Studio, watch the complete guide right here.